What's going on, guys? In this quick video or two, we're going to take a look at Create React App, which is a Facebook npm package, and we're going to wire it up with Redux because it doesn't come with Redux by default. And well, it's quite common to use Redux in your React apps these days to manage state. So Create React App is a Facebook created package that helps you build React apps with no configuration, basically. So it spins up a React app with Webpack already set up and everything. Now they have this thing called eject, where you can eject your app by running npm run eject, and that'll give you the ability to customize your Webpack if you so choose to do so. Super cool package, really useful for beginners with React and Webpack, and it's just really quick to get started with. But it doesn't come with Redux already wired up, so we're gonna do that. It's pretty, fairly straightforward. I don't think it should take too long. So if you don't have Create React App installed, you're going to have to install it, and then what you can do is you can do Create React App and then the name of your app, whatever you want it to be. I'm going to call it, let's call it, I was listening to some 50 Cent, so let's call it Gangsta Rap. Great name for a React app. I'm going to pause this here because this could take a little bit. Okay, now that your app has been created, takes a few seconds, we are going to just go into it, Gangsta Rap, and we'll just run npm start, and we should be able to see the basic app that was created. So let me drag this over here, and here you go. You get a basic welcome to React homepage with a React logo spinner, whatever. Assuming that you guys have done this before, but because that's not really the point of this video. Create React App is pretty simple. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and wire up Redux to it. So let's open up a new window here, and we'll do cd Gangsta Rap, and we'll vim into it. See all our nice folders, and we're going to go into our index file, and we're going to create our store. Now we're gonna go ahead in here, and we're gonna say import create store from Redux. And I forgot to install all our dependencies, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and we can actually see that it live reloads. So I'll go to my other window, and okay, well, Redux doesn't exist yet, but it actually hot reloads, which is pretty cool. So we are going to npm install -- save. What do we need? We're gonna work with thunk, so we'll do Redux thunk. Pardon me. If I could type Redux thunk. Then what else do we need? We're going to be doing async, so Redux thunk. We're going to want React Redux, and we're also going to want Redux DevTools. If you want to build like an app after this, you probably want Redux DevTools so you can look back in time and stuff. So it's pretty cool. So we'll need Redux DevTools extension. Okay, let's go ahead and install this. Again, I'm going to pause this here because it might take a few seconds. Alrighty, now that's done, so let's go back here and we can do what we were trying to do before. And right below that, we're going to say const store is, we're going to use create store, and inside of here we are going to well, this is a file that we have to create and then import, but we're going to create like a base reducer, and let's just call it main reducer, and then let's import that. So say import main reducer from, and we'll make it in this root folder. We're going to say main reducer. Okay, so we're going to wrap up this video, but before we do, let's go ahead and because it's getting kind of long, we'll just go ahead and create this reducer that we're importing here. Let's create that file. So we'll say let's say, actually, you know what, I'm going to put this in reducers slash whatchamacallit, main reducer .js. So I've got to change something here. I've got to say reducers. Nice. Alright, so we'll go into that file, and we're going to need a few things here. We're going to need combine reducers from Redux, and we're also going to need well, this is kind of like a, I don't know, I named it Gangsta Rap, so let's just make it like a stupid, I don't know, song app of some sort. So we'll just say import songs is going to be one of our resources. So we'll say from our same folder, and we're going to call it songs. Okay, simple enough. And then we'll export this, using the combined reducers. And we're going to have to got this cool plugin that auto closes. It's really cool. It's by Tim Pope. Check it out. And we'll use ES6 and we'll just say songs. We'll just say songs. That's it. And ESX, this is the key, so you could do that, but we'll just leave it like that. Alright, let's wrap up this video here. And in the next one, we're going to create this reducer, and we'll wire it up with the provider and Redux, DevTools, etc., etc. Also, remember, if your app is about posts or articles or whatever, you create whatever reducer you want. You'll even have like a users reducer eventually, if you want to add users to your app. So we'll see you in the next video.